Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammer Doc. This is a vintage crossover capacitor from a vintage Leslie crossover that I've removed. Now, in the past, when I've recapped crossovers, I've used combined sets of capacitors such as this. So this is a set of Dayton crossovers. Values are 5.6 microfarad and 2.2 microfarad, and together they come up to be 7.8 microfarad. So that would be for the treble side. And here's another set, 6.2 microfarad, 6.2 microfarad, and a 0.1 microfarad together. That would be 12.5 microfarad. But recently I tried a different approach where I use these audiophile capacitors. Instead of using 7.8 combination like this, I just installed an 8 microfarad. And instead of using the 12.5 combination of capacitors, I use the 12.0 microfarad audiophile capacitor. Now this sounds real good, but someone wanted to know what is the ESR for this setup. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to test the ESR for the upper frequency capacitor and compare that to what I get when I combine a couple of capacitors together for the 7.8, and then I'll come back and do a second video looking at the base side. Okay, so let's begin with looking at the treble side using the capacitors that I've grouped together. Now I've already zeroed out my meter. Let's see, okay, zero it out here. There you go. All right, meter is zeroed out. Okay, so now we're ready to look at the ESR of our grouped capacitors. And as you can see, I get 0.12 ohms. 0.12 ohms. Okay, what happens then when I connect this to the 8 microfarad capacitor? Let's see what we get. 0.13 ohms. So no significant difference. All right, in terms of ESR, equivalent series resistance. All right, okay, so I'll come back with another video and we'll test the base side of our crossover. Okay, until then, Dr. Kemp, the Hammer Doc. Peace out.